Hi, my name's Grace. I'm the founder of a company called WorkSpa. We support organisations across the UK just to help organisations create more psychologically safe working environments. So the Prince's Trust helped me set my business up in 2016. I went on the enterprise programme and I became an ambassador, so I spoke at many different events about my life story and the support that they gave me, and I met the amazing Fiona from Tangle Teezer at one of those events, and she invited me down to speak at the office today to talk about my journey with the Trust and how they're now going to collaborate with the Prince's Trust to support more young people in reaching their full potential. So one of the big takeaways from my talk is really that, no matter your starting point, change is possible. And I really want to inspire people to know that, no matter how difficult life can get sometimes, with the right support, with the right mentorship and having opportunities to be seen, I think are really important for us to be able to really step into our true potential. And that's really something that I want people to take away, is to not be afraid to be vulnerable, to, talk about what you're going through and get support if you need it, and that's all okay.